Okay, the Gemara continues and it asks us, how do we know this? Minachani Mili, where do we know that we do not punish these witnesses in the case of the Mishnah Kasher Zaman? We don't give them exactly what they wanted to do. Rather, we give them Makos instead of Kasher Zaman. Says the Gemara, Amar Yeshua ben Levi. Rabbi Yeshua ben Levi says, the Amar Kra, it says in the Pasuk, Kra means Pasuk, V'asisem lo Kasher Zaman. We punish the witness Kasher Zamam, exactly the way he wanted to, exactly what he plotted to do. Says the Gemara, we take the word lo from the pasuk over here is telling us that we only punish the witness. When we punish the witnesses, the Edom Zomimim, we're only allowed to punish the witness, Vilo Lazaro, and we're not allowed to punish his children. So if the punishment that we're going to give out is going to end up punishing his children, we can't give it. So therefore, if we take away the kahuna, if we punish the witness, and because we did that, it ends up punishing the children also, we cannot administer kasher zamam, and we have to give something else, and that is lashes. So the Gemara asks a very simple question. V'lifselu l'didei, why don't we just pasel, v'lifselu comes from the word pasel, why don't we disqualify him, the witness, from the kahuna, v'lo lifselu l'zarei, and let his children continue to be kohanim. If he wanted to take away someone else's kahuna, right, by testifying falsely, so we'll take away his kahuna, right? We'll only take away his kahuna and we'll leave his kids. His kids will allow them to remain, will allow them to continue to be kohanim, and then we'll be able to fulfill kasher zamam. We won't have to give him lashes. So the Gemara answers, no, we can't do that. Why? But inon, we need, ba'i, the word ba'i, want, need, or ask, followed by a double nun, we need kasher zamam lasos. We need to punish exactly what he wanted to do. What did he want to do? What did this Eid Zomim want to do? He wanted to take away this man's kahuna, this man's right to be a Kohen, as well as his kids. He also wants to take away his kid's right to be a Kohen. And if he wanted to do that to this guy, to this Kohen, and now we want to punish him kasher zamam, well, we're going to have to punish him exactly the way he wanted to punish someone else, exactly the way he wanted to hurt somebody else. And we can't, vileka, and we cannot do that. Why? Because of lo velo lazaro. Because we can only punish him and not his kids. And because he wanted to punish, he wanted to hurt and damage this Kohen as well as his future generations, and we cannot punish this witness's future generations. Therefore, the only option we have left is to give in makos.